But we must accept the results of this election.
And after the greatest political comeback in American history.
Is there going to be some broken glass and some damage? Yes, there is. There's no way around that.
We're going to lead the greatest economic comeback in American history under Donald Trump.
He's turned out to be a good choice.
And when you say people had to choose between their race or their gender for about white women, you're ignoring that they have brains.
I knew the brain was a good one, about as good as it gets.
And so those views are part of how people make their decisions, not just an ethnic identity.
It's all part of the stew.
I spoke with President-elect Trump and congratulated him on his victory. I also told him that we will help him and his team with their transition.
Don't ignore the potatoes and the carrots while also focusing on the meat.
Okay, I'm all for eating. I am on a protein diet right now. So
about a half century ago, Americans who had historically been connected with one another, that's what this French philosopher Tocqueville said, we were the most connected nation in the world. Mm-hmm. That began to change. And we started knowing our neighbors less well. We started knowing our families less well. We began to slacken our involvement in community affairs, politics, but not just politics.